मेरा गला भी खराब है, but it's rainy day and today I have decided to attend the college. And the fact is that I feel there will be one or two student out there, but still I want to attend the college. So let's see how the college day in a rainy season goes.
Passenger, train number 3147 out. Shialda Noihati local is arriving on platform number 1. यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें गाड़ी संख्या 3142 आठ शियालदा नोईहाटी लोकल प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक
The fact is that I know I will get a good scolding from my father, but I got into a different platform or different metro station than what I should have catched up earlier. It was actually that metro ride was full of AC and I was sitting very cozily. So I didn't notice that I am going to Noapara. So this is my first visit to Noapara. And from here I have to get back to Damdam again. And then, I don't know, I will, but I really feel bad about the mistake that I created out here. So yeah. So the fact is that I can't put it up like visiting to Noapara, but it is such a lonely place. People are there, but not so much. So yes, let's see when the metro comes up. Guys, I am walking through a unknown route and I want to go to I actually want to go to the Damdam station, but I don't know. I don't hope of messing things up again. I did mess up things, but I hope I think I'm walking in the right direction. And I love to record myself like this alone. There is no one who have got into trouble like me. जो भी है, yeah, I'm walking and I am here. Thank God. सही रास्ता पकड़ा. Hi, my mother is calling me, but I am making this video because I feel like doing it at the moment, and she will shout just now. तो क्या आस्ते बोलची? And I'm not a good girl. But yes, I'm back at home. And anyone watching me, whoever you are, thank you. And please do subscribe my channel and read the vlog kind of a day in the caption. I write it in detail. That's called somewhat a digital journal. And yeah, today was good. And I realized that अगर हर दिन कॉलेज हो ना तो लाइफ अच्छी चलती है, घर में अच्छी नहीं चलती है. But yeah, that's all. I think let's I will see you or me in the future. Say bye.